The UK and NVIDIA are joining forces to supercharge the AI industrial revolution, and the transformation is already underway. Just 3 months after their landmark announcement, the UK is set to become a global AI powerhouse. By 2026, new AI factories will run 120,000 NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra GPUs, powering models like GPT-5, all to drive sovereign AI growth. Enter Stargate UK, a massive initiative by NVIDIA, OpenAI, and Nscale to deploy cutting-edge AI infrastructure across the nation. In Loughton, the UK's most powerful supercomputer is being built, over 24,000 GPUs running on Microsoft Azure. And in Scotland, CoreWeave is launching a green-powered data center packed with Grace Blackwell Ultra GPUs. Quantum plus AI, it's happening. NVIDIA is teaming with top UK universities to combine GPU power with quantum computing. To fuel this revolution, the UK is skilling up. AI training programs and developer courses are expanding fast. UK researchers are already leveraging NVIDIA tech to tackle everything from climate change to drug discovery. From infrastructure to innovation, the AI future is being built in the UK. This is more than a tech upgrade. It's an AI-powered revolution. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.